Now to the COVID-19 crisis here in Georgia. It is important to know when we give you the numbers. Today's numbers includes a backlog from yesterday, but even adjusted for that, cases are up. This was a record day also for COVID-19 testing. Those are the bars you see in orange. The state reports more than 53,000 new tests today. That's more than double what we see on a normal day. New cases also jumped up by more than 3,500. Now, the number of people in the hospital is also rising. More than 1,700 Georgia patients now need serious medical care. That number is so important as we put this into perspective. As we see the cases climb, the majority of high schools in Cobb County are now reporting COVID cases. But they say it's not because the virus is spreading widely within the schools. The Cobb and Douglas director of public health says transmission of the virus is more often happening outside the school walls. This comes as COVID fatigue is setting in all around the county and too many people are holding those small gatherings.
I mean, it really is people that are, gathering on a kind of a smaller scale at times, and, dinner parties and sleepovers. We've seen weddings. We've seen just all kinds of just little gatherings.
The rise in cases at schools comes as Cobb County as a whole is seeing higher community transmission of the virus there.